everyone. We have with us today Dr. Raju Vaishya. Professor Dr. Raju Vaishya is the Senior Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon at Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi. With nearly 800 publications and an H index of 55, he is recognized for his significant contributions to orthopedic science. He serves on the editorial boards of several prestigious journals and has worked with several top publishers like Elsevier, Solitaire, Wolters Kluwer, Sage and Scientific Scholar. Notably, he has been listed among the top 2% of global scientists by Stanford University for 3 consecutive years, underscoring his impact in this field. So, heartiest congratulations, sir, on being part of this Medical Research Summit. It's a privilege to be having you here with us today.
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to be here.
So, how do you feel, sir, being recognized, and is there any message that you would want to give out to the younger generation, budding professionals who want to get into research? Is there any key factor, any key mantra that you would want to lay out to them?
First of all, research should be an integral part of your clinical practice because it is now evidence-based. If you are a good researcher and if you couple your research with clinical practice, you will be even more successful. So don't think that clinician cannot do research. It will be complementary to your profile and your clinical practice. Number 2, if you do any research and you do not publish, then it's a waste. So always publish your research in high impact journals. Do not waste it in any predatory journal, and do not use any unethical practices in research because that may be very counterproductive for you in future in your career. So these are the important things that one must consider.
So, any highlight that you would want to lay out about your research, sir? You've been appreciated here, and you've been accoladed for your research. Anything that you would want to say for your own research?
I think that for doing research, passion is one thing, then perseverance and positivity. These 3 P's are very important, and if I can do it coming from a small city like Gwalior, I'm sure anyone can do it from top institute. But unfortunately, we have just done one study in orthopedics. 70% of the research done in thesis is never published. Only 30% gets published, that too not in all high impact journal. So please, if you do research, do not waste it, do publish it.
Great.
And find a good mentor and good research collaborator that can help you.
Definitely, that's definitely a goal mantra, sir, as everybody is highlighting the same fact that if you are conducting research, it should not go wasted, just go ahead and publish it. So there are a lot of options, there are a lot of open access journals which are accepting theses. So that's definitely an encouragement statement for the younger generation to carry out research more and more, get into research and get them published.
And I would also like to compliment Medical Dialogue who are publishing the abstract of upcoming research that is not actually published, and very honestly I read it every week in almost all the papers that you publish, and I tell you a secret, out of that reading in last 1 month I have published 3 letter to editor in high impact journal.
So great, sir. Then I think our work is also not getting, it's not going waste.
No, it is definitely taken very seriously, and you people write very concise and good summary of any paper with positive points, negative points, and the future directions related to that journal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations on being a part of the Research Summit and Blackbuck Awards.
Thank you.